Hi everyone, it's Billy Joe. I'm back again. Yay. Sorry for my absence. I was a little unwell there for a while, but I'm on the road to recovery. Today, well again, I should say I've been shopping online for books and it's been a while since I bought these, so I hope they're nice inside because I don't exactly get to see what's inside necessarily. Maybe a page here and there, and I buy them based on that. So let's hope these are good ones. We'll soon find out. I'll just put this aside and I'll pull them out one by one. So, the first one is, oh, that's a bit crooked here, isn't it? Sorry, I've got a new camera set up. It just arrived today and I've literally just put it on my desk and I'm trying to get the angles right, so I apologise for it being a little lopsided. Yeah, I'm really excited that I can maybe do crafting now on camera. So this is Santa Comes to New South Wales, which I thought was really unusual. Hoping there's some good pictures in here. Obviously this was someone's little book. Santa is coming to New South Wales. Lovely. They're shiny. It's quite lovely actually. Lovely pictures. I'll try and, sorry, let me just move my mouse out of the way. It's quite lovely photographs. Obviously I wanted it for a Christmas, some Christmas albums or journals or tags or swapping even, because I didn't have any Christmas stuff myself until recently. I love this guy. Until recently when I was gifted a whole bunch of things. Thank you very much to those that did that. But I want to be able to return the favour, obviously. So I've been trying to collect some Christmas things. I love these photographs. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I have to get my camera higher, obviously. I've got it too low at the moment. I can definitely use these photographs, these pictures. I love this one. I can even use this book. I haven't done any hardcover journals as yet. I'm not sure how to sew them in. I need to look that up. But I'll certainly have some nice hardcover books when I'm finished with these. Oh my God, look at that on Centrepoint Tower. This is great. Oh, I love these. This is really nice. I thought we'd just quickly go through some of them. Oh, he looks so sad. But I'll be definitely using some of these or gifting them. Oh, that looks awesome. That's the first one. Now I've got a second one like this. I thought I'd grab it as well. Santa is coming to Australia. So this is an Australian general one. Oh, I love this. Oh, the Australian animals. Love it. I was gifted some Australian Christmas things, so I know I'll be doing an Australian one now. These are really lovely illustrations, as you can see. I wonder if I could alter this book. I've never altered a book before. This might be a nice book to do that too. Sydney. It's in Sydney. Awesome. I'm originally from Sydney myself. I've been living in far north Queensland the past 14 years this year. So I'm definitely a local now. So you have to be here 10 years before you're even considered a local. It's a very small rural city. Love it. Very similar to the other one, but I think I like this one better actually. I do like this one better than the New South Wales one. Okay, next. What do I have next? Mermaid's Most Amazing. Now, not sure about this book, but I love the cover. I only saw one picture, so World of Mermaids. I love that. The map. Lovely. Oh, they're more like ancient mermaids. More like an ancient mermaid book. Quite interesting, actually. It's very different. So not as many illustrations, but still a lovely book. Oh, that's nice. Gives me ideas. I'm not really into mermaids so much myself. I don't have any mermaid things. This is the only mermaid thing I have. But I really like this. It's more of the ancients, the tales, the fables. Well, that's a lovely picture. Oops. Mermaid swimming to the bottom there. That's not a lot in that book, but it's I do like it, but it's not really my thing. So I don't know, if anyone's interested in doing a swap for this book, if for any reason, either hit me up in one of the Facebook groups I'm in, or send me a PM on Facebook, or email me. I'll put my email address in the bottom of this video. It's a beautiful book, but yeah, I'm happy to swap it with someone if they're interested. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Insects and spiders. Not that I'm into spiders. I absolutely detest spiders. I swear I have arachnophobia. But I thought this might be nicely illustrated. So let's find out. Oh, spider. It is nicely illustrated by the looks. Get it more in frame there for you. Oh, lovely. Wow. This is fantastic. Love this book. Not sure what I'll use it on yet. I'm sure I'll work it out. Or I'll use it for swaps as well. Wow. Really loving this dung beetle. Love, love, love. Ants. Bees. Now I am collecting things for a bee journal. I know a lot of you guys are too. It's always in the middle of the book though, which is really rather annoying sometimes. You have to be really good at cutting it out. Flies. I really love this book though. Oh wow, that's fantastic. Predators. I won't go too slow, sorry. Yeah, I really like this book. Oh my god, that's not for me. Anyone doing spiders? Maybe. Oh my god. I can't stand to look at the spiders. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If anyone's doing Gothic or spiders and wants some spiders, feel free to ask me for them. You can have them. I don't want to hang on to spiders. The insects, yes, but not the spiders. Okay, next book. The Woodland Folk Meet the Elves. They look more like gnomes to me. Do they look more like gnomes to you? They look more like gnomes to me. Oh, wow. Fantastic. They definitely, my mouse is in the way. Let me just move it. They definitely more look like gnomes. This is an older book, much older book. I'll have a look in a minute if I can see what year it was made. Fantastic. You can smell it's an old book. Doesn't smell of mold or anything like that. It just, you know what I mean? You can just smell an old book. Oh, I love them. I do love these. Sorry, I'm trying to get all the pictures in this. It's rather large. The Guznags. Well, that's interesting. I might even read this book. Never heard of a Guznag. Wow, that's a fantastic picture. Some more fantastic pictures. And I can use the writing as well. That's not attached to a picture. Because this is, I think, a vintage book. Which I didn't realise when I was buying it. Oh, look, a unicorn. Brilliant. Another unicorn. Let me just see. Oh, I love them. I just absolutely ready-made cards. Let me see if I can see where it's printed. First published in 1984. Sort of vintage. Does that make it vintage? Not sure. Fantastic. Look at the elves. And last one. This is, I think, going to be my favourite one. Portrait of a Country Garden. For some reason, I've been collecting these kinds of books lately with no idea what I'm going to use them for yet. Let's start. This is beautiful. It's even got a flower on the front. Love that. Oh, lovely. Get past the writing. I remember all these phrases. Beautiful. I think, what's this thing? It doesn't say when it's been published. It might be on the back. This is lovely. Oh, so it goes through the months. The seasons. And I love the little poem things with them. Flowers in the month of January, February, March. Sorry, that's my phone. I think my son's messaging me. These are absolutely beautiful. And I really do need to get my camera up. It's a bit better. Why didn't I do that before? Sorry. I'll get through this quickly. It is my son messaging me. It always happens at the worst time, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. This is, I don't know if I can cut this book up or not. I might copy this book. It's just too beautiful. Look at it. Really, really love it. Fall. Even the glossary has photos. How adorable. They'd be great on tags and things. Wow, really love this. And when does it... I'm just reading when it was. It doesn't say. This book does not say when it was made. Maybe it's in here. Here it is. 1984 again. Oh no, first published in Great Britain in 1980. Well, there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of my book haul. It's my first one in a while. Sorry I didn't get my camera all sorted out better for you, but hopefully I'll have it better for the next lot. If you like the video, please a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please tell me why and how I can improve it. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, see you next time. Bye, everyone. If I can turn it off. Okay. Maybe I'll bring my mouse down here. Okay, now it's bye, everyone. See you later. Bye.